How to be healthy. Many people think that being healthy is a difficult task that involves lots of dieting and time at the gym, but that's not actually true. By supporting your body and mind, making some simple tweaks to your routine, and setting small goals for yourself, you can be on the path toward living a healthier, happier life. Start a daily habit of making healthier choices when it comes to eating, relaxing, being active, and sleeping. Soon, you'll start to see your healthy life taking shape. Drink more water. Adults should drink 2-3 liters of water per day, while children should drink 1-2 liters. That is in addition to other drinks like tea or coffee. Water keeps bodies at the correct temperature and removes toxins and maintains homeostasis. Eat breakfast. A light, healthy breakfast is sufficient enough to reap the benefits of eating early. If it's comprised of lean protein and whole grains, then it will keep you from gorging at lunch. Research shows that breakfast skippers actually eat more. So, to curb your appetite, don't skip the first meal of the day. Instead of 2 chocolate donuts and a coffee that's more cream than anything else, opt for eggs, fruit, and for a beverage like skimmed milk, fresh orange juice, or tea. The healthier and filling your breakfast is, the more energized you'll feel throughout the day. Eat well throughout the day. If half of your plate is vegetables and fruit, you're on the right track. Add in lean protein, low-fat dairy, and whole grains. Once a steady eating pattern has been established, your body will feel more comfortable. There may be a period of time when your body is wondering where the sugary foods went, but once you're over the hump, you'll feel better than ever.